pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans.
Hi guys, today we're gonna talk about the sympathetic and parasympathetic and how they work. Sympathetic. It activates when you're stressed, scared, excited, or in danger. Sympathetic also increases our heart rate, breathing rate, releases adrenaline, and more.
Uy, loko, may tumahol. Lu, ano yun? Lu! Chihuahua lang pala.
That right there is one of the example of sympathetic. Now let's move on parasympathetic. Parasympathetic calms your body down after stress and helps you relax. It also slows heart rate, speed up digestion, makes the body return to normal, and more.
Pwede ka ba maligo sa gabi? Pagpuyat ka at pagpawis na pawis ka? Pwede. Ang hindi pwede, maging kayo.
Uy, pwede pa tayo maglaro? Sige, abunan na. Maiba na siya.
Bakit tayo mo ako i-kiss? Tapos kinis ko, sabi niya.
And that's how parasympathetic works.
Wala, baka mumu yun.
Tok, tok, tok. Ako'y kumakatok. Ha, ha, ha. Ako'y natatawa. L-O-V-E na na na. Sobrang gwapo. Ha, ha, ha.
Ginagawa mo!
But what the hell, boy?
As you can see, sympathetics turn into panic mode, thinking that there's a mumu out there.
Huwag kang tumingin ng ganyan sa akin. Huwag mo ako kulitin. Huwag mo ako